everyone, I am going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup. Definitely dark skin girl friendly because I am a dark skin sister. So I would like to share that with you. I only use 4 products and I keep it quick and simple. I go to work sometimes I have to be to work at 5, so which means I need to get up super early and I don't have a lot of time to sit and do like a crazy beat, which I never do anyway, but because I'm not a makeup artist at all, but this is something that I wanted to share because I do get a lot of questions about my foundation and how I do my wing liner. So let's jump into it. So the first product that I use, my foundation, I'm currently using Fenty Pro Filter, and I am the shade 420. I like to start with my foundation first. I'll just pump maybe 2 to 3 pumps in the back of my hand. Sometimes as I go along I may need an extra pump, but for now I like to start with 2 to 3. With this bottle, it's very difficult to open, so it's much easier to put a little bit on your hand and add more if you need it than it is to put a lot, and then it's very difficult to open the bottle to put it back. I like to go over my eyes because my eyelids are a little dark. So I do go over my eyelids. Some people may use concealer, but we are doing a quick makeup tutorial. And I like to just start underneath my eye, and I curve my eye, and I go over my eye. This is a Sephora brush. It's a 203. I like this brush a lot. I've been using it for a very long time. A flat foundation brush on one side, and then the other side is for concealer. Now for my second product, I do my eyebrows next. I use Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this shade is dark brown. So with the spoolie side, I do brush up my eyebrows and kind of brush them into the shape that I want them to be, in the natural shape that they are. I do not wax my eyebrows or go to anyone to do them. I've been doing them for a very long time myself because my eyebrows just don't grow that well. And so I don't want anyone else to risk what I got going on because it ain't much anyway. So I'd rather do them myself. And with this, I like to start right underneath, not directly where my eyebrows start, but somewhere in like a quarter, not even a quarter, maybe like 10% of the way in. And I just trace my natural shape. Same thing, I'm starting at the top, but it's not in the beginning of my eyebrows here. It's like right here. And I kind of pull it into the shape I need it to be. Then I go to the front and I do brush-like strokes. Then I'm going to go in the same here, 10% of the way. Bring it down to where I want it to be. At the top again, 10% of the way, and then I bring this around. So I'm pretty sure you guys heard the saying, like your eyebrows are like cousins or sisters. They're not going to be exactly the same. And my eyebrow, this one, for some reason, when I do it, I always kind of get like a more of a rounded shape, and this one kind of always seems to have like a really high arch, and that's just the way my eyebrows grow. So I do try to match them, but for the most part, it never ever really works out that way. Then I like to go back in with my spoolie. Kind of brush them out so it kind of blends a little bit if I missed any. Okay. I use NYX matte liquid liner. When I first bought this and I tried it on, like, what the hell is this? It says matte. I like the matte look. I do not like the liquid look, but it goes on very liquidy, very wet looking, but once it kind of dries, it turns matte and I love it. You guys can see the wet look that I'm talking about. So with my eyeliner, I start at the top, somewhat in the middle, and I drag it out to how long I want it to be, and then I bring it up from the bottom. So now I have my point there, but then there's still like a lot of space in the middle that's not filled in. Then I go in and I fill it. Same thing with the other side. I like to start in the middle of my eye and I bring it on over and come up from the bottom of my eye, bring it on up, and then fill in the middle. And then bring it in from the corner of my eye on over. Lastly, I like to go in with some mascara. Everyone knows that mascara, eyelashes always kind of make a look pop, so I am using, this is L'Oreal Luminous Original. And I always get blackest black or the blackest or black black or very black or something like that. It usually says I like my mascara to be very dark because I want it to really stand out. And there you have it. 4 things that I use to do my makeup every single day. My foundation, the eyeliner, the eyebrow pencil, and my mascara. You can jazz this up by adding a little blush or a highlighter. And you can highlight your eyebrows, add a little lip gloss or lipstick. I am going to actually use this one. This is Boxum. I always get these from Sephora. It's really cute. It has like clear, but it has a little sparkliness to it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. So I actually am gonna I have to actually get ready to go out. So I'm gonna just do a quick tutorial on my hair, how I turn the old twist out into a really cute style that you know, you can wear it to work, to outing, anywhere. It's gonna be super cute. Link's gonna be down in the bio. Thanks guys for watching.